On the boat 124, what we did at Christmas. Please watch to the end, there's some rather sad news.
Hire car, road trip. Let's go. That's proper rain.
It's supposed to be able to hear it, it's so loud.
The place is empty, isn't it?
Well, it is only...
And down she was drowned in the water and flopped in the bow. Way, hey, blow the band down. So I
Hire car, road trip. Let's go.
We decided to drive from Finnequay to Anatolia along the coast road. We'd done this trip before when we got our residency cards, but the weather was much better then.
Oh, we picked the right weather, darling.
Well, at least we're in the drive.
We're now
Going into the mountains.
going into the mountains. So we've got a modern motorway here. And it winds its way up and down. But basically we're going to climb up about 5,000 feet on this mountain pass. It is, I mean, it's wet, but it's still glorious countryside. I tell you, it reminds me of the Lake District.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Proper rain.
Well, it's supposed to be able to hear it, it's so loud. And if you can see it, that's the sea.
I can't see 100 metres in front of me. You see the sea.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
They're just so dramatic.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
We went to the giant mall, the Mall at Alatania. We needed some new clothes. We hadn't had any for, well, a couple of years. And things were getting a bit threadbare. The place is absolutely huge with all the big names. And it was decorated out for Christmas. There were restaurants and fast food outlets, both local and international.
The place is empty, isn't it?
Well, it is only 10:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to come early, because I hate shopping places like this when it's crowded.
I think my ears are being pulled off by this fucking... Quite clever, aren't they?
Thank you for buying us a beer. Cheers.
Well, the weather to drive back yesterday was absolutely diabolical. Wind and storms, so we booked a cheap hotel for the night. What was it, 270 Turkish lira, and the exchange rate being what it is, that was, yeah, it was really good. I mean, it's better than a Formula 1 hotel, but yeah, TV and beer fridge, nice shower, little balcony. The sea has calmed down a load since yesterday. There were big waves breaking. I'm just going to go and have a little bit of breakfast now, and then off to get some more bits and bobs. Well, you didn't want to see us shopping, so we thought we'd show you this. It was just for fun over Christmas.
The idea of tonight, everybody, is just let your hair down, enjoy yourself. You may have trouble lines. Because of the issues, we're going to start this evening with a young lady that we've got here called Shelley. Everybody here, they're all boaties. They're all yachties, so we all got together just having some fun, whatever. And Shelley's going to do something with her uke, so give us some support, enjoy yourself. We've tried to pick some songs that you will know, and they've all got, most of them have got choruses and things that you can join in. So we expect you to support us by singing along on everything. Okay?
We put this video up, and within 10 seconds it got a copyright hit, so we've had to cut out some of the music.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it.
Yeah, true to form, as soon as we put this up it got a copyright hit, so we've had to mute some of the music, which is a shame because everyone was singing along. It was a great night.
Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good time. Yes! Yes! This is the Finnick version of the boy band. It's a bit older. Not so much take that, just give me a minute. Our first shanty is a bunk shanty for holding on halyards. One guy calls the timing while everyone takes the cue. Go.
Sailor, what shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning. Way, hey, up she rises. Way, hey, up she rises. Way, hey, up she rises. Early in the morning.
Put him in the longboat till he's sober.
Put him in the longboat till he's sober. Put him in the longboat till he's sober. Early in the morning.
At this point I should tell you that I'd trapped a nerve in my back the day before, and that's why I'm a bit immobile.
You will know this song, and I expect to hear 4 beats halfway through this song from you. One word of advice, don't take your cue from David.
Been a wide rover for many a year, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer, and now I'm returning with golden rings gold, and I never will play the go walking down Paradise Way. Away, hey, low and down. A pretty young dancer I tumbled to things. Give me some time to low and down. She was rounding the corner and popping about. Way, hey, low and down. So I took it all silent and way off now. Give me some time to low and down. I put up my mouth up to make a hit too. Way, hey, low and down. She took the big tongues out and signaled she knew. Give me some time to low and down. I held her in English and asked for the news. Way, hey, low and down. This morning camel, I am screwed. Give me some time to low and down. I held out my toe and took her in tow. Way, hey, low and down. And your arm to your arm, let's go. Give me some time to low and down. I wanted to go with my OTB. Way, hey, low and down. Go off, young man, if you're able, said she. Give me some time to low and down. She took me to the house on the way, hey, low and down. What's the sign of the ship? Water relay. Give me some time to low and down. I give you fair warning for there'll be delay. Way, hey, low and down. Don't ever take me a pretty girl, say. Give me some time to low and down. Great, John. Now we're back to the Caribbean.
Over to you, mate. Who's the DJ? He's got a bad back.
Thanks to Colin, Tony, Shelley and David for organising everything. It was really great to get out and enjoy ourselves, but it didn't end there.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hey, Merry Christmas.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.